Today, we are talking about one of nature's most incredible gifts, an oil that can transform your skin and hair, making them look healthier and more vibrant. And it's not some fancy, expensive product. It is pure organic argan oil. Argan oil comes from the kernel of argan tree, which grows mainly in Morocco. It's often called liquid gold in the beauty world, and there is a reason for that. Argan oil is packed with powerhouse nutrients. First, it is rich in natural vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fantastic antioxidant that helps protect your skin from free radical damage, which is a major cause of aging. There is squalene, a natural moisturizer that your body actually produces. Argan oil gives you a boost of these vital substances, helping you to restore hydration and keep your skin soft and supple. It also contains phenol and essential fatty acid, which works together to strengthen your skin barrier, reduce dryness, and even support the appearance of fine lines. For your hair, those same fatty acid and squalene nourish the strand from the inside out, making them stronger and less prone to breakage. And let's not just forget about your nails and cuticles, which get much needed boost of hydration and strength. The best part is how easy it is to use. Just a few drops can make a huge difference. For your face, apply a few drops to your palm, rub them together, and gently massage it into your skin before bed. It absorbs quickly and won't leave a greasy residue. For your hair, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner. Just a couple of drops on the end will help prevent split ends and add shine. Or if you have a dry scalp, a few drop massage in can provide a deep hydration. You can also use it on your hands as a moisturizer or on your lips for a natural nourishing bath. And for your cuticles and your nails, just a quick rub is all you need. Here is the secret of getting the best results. You need to use only the purest, most natural form. That means you should look for unrefined organic argan oil. Refined oil has been processed with heat and chemicals, which can destroy many of the beneficial compounds we have just talked about. So always choose the unrefined cold press option. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in the quality and effectiveness of the oil. I challenge you to give it a try. See for yourself and watch how this one oil can make a huge difference. I also did a video on castor oil. Rub castor oil here tonight and watch your inflammation disappear. I will link it here and in the description below. Do well to click on it. Subscribe for more health tips and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.